Our event today, and indeed the wider series, takes inspiration from the original Edinburgh Conversations of the 1980s, when, at the height of the Cold War, Professor John Erickson, the Professor of Politics at the university, convened talks between the USA and the Soviet Union in an effort to find common ground and to bring reconciliation. Fast forward 3 decades, and the world is facing many threats to its future, posed by things such as climate change, the intensification of inequalities, geopolitical tensions, and many more. The pandemic that we are living through is, of course, one such threat. And all of these threats are complex, they are multi-level and interrelated. And we know that global cooperation is needed to solve them. In the spirit of John Erickson, then, we are using the convening power of a global university to bring together the experts, the influencers, the grassroots community leaders, our students, and the wider public from across the globe to create momentum for change.
We're delighted to have so many leading thinkers participating today. And we're also particularly delighted to welcome our student contributors who have been working as a community to build a manifesto for change. Now, the programme is packed today, as you will see, but we want all of you to participate actively. So please do so by using the Twitter hashtag, and that's Edinburgh Futures Conversations. Edinburgh Futures Conversations. Now, as Lesley says, the aim of the day is to create a set of principles for global action, an agenda for future health. And in doing so, we're going to draw on the themes, the comments, the ideas, and the critical questions raised by all of our speakers, by all our students, and by all of you, our global audience.